Mabaylan. Ball fetch it back to Mabaylan. Tempo 3. 3 points, Mabaylan. Amores setting the play. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Amores. 10 seconds to shoot. Tempo 3. No good. Agora mo pala pa ni Mabaylan. Mabaylan. Nagmotor Mabaylan. Shot. Wala na ni Modisete. To Pipito.
Tabok!
Back to Sepe.
Tabok na! Tabok!
To Pipito. To Amores. 14 seconds to shoot.
Mastrok na sa tani rin.
10 seconds to shoot. Amores to Pipito. Pipito fake. To Sepe. Fake again. 3 seconds. No good. Rebound Landero. To Mabaylan. To Tejero. Landero fake. To Mabaylan. Attempt to fake. No good. Rebound Pipito. Pipito. Josie number 49.
Dalaboy!
14 seconds shot clock.
Nasad? Ingon ko hawili.
10 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Mabaylan. Turnover.
Dili na kung dito.
Substitution.
Tex, warning ka, Tex. Warning.
Acosta. Josie number 16. Tosepe to 16. Tosepe. Josie number 20 fake. 14 seconds shot clock. Back to Acosta. Turnovers stolen by Mr. Tejero. To Mabaylan. To Bilarmero. 2 points. 8. Bilarmero. Jersey number 49, Mr. Pipito. To jersey number 20, Sepe. 14 seconds to shoot. Kunukuan. 10 seconds to shoot. From the parking lot. No good. Rebound Mabaylan. Tejero after for Hay.
Push! Push!
Pipito to Acosta. Drop pass to Sepe. Back to Acosta. Libre at Tempo 3. No good. Rebound Mabaylan. Mabaylan to Landero. Fake. Landero to Alfecha. Alfecha. 2 points.
Hawiri sa. Ako mag-ita na hawiri.
Pipito. To jersey number 49, Pipito. Drive. Pipito. Lock by Landero. To Acosta. To Homok. Substitution. Substitution. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 44 seconds. He scored 37-46. 4 seconds shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot.
Isa pa. Pagtruhan pa. 4 seconds. 4! Hawiri sa baka nag-
Look to Alarde. Alarde. Back to Luke. To Pinicena. What's the threat? Happening violation.
Natulog na to. Sayo pa sila.
Acosta. Turnover. Nakuha ni Dylan Rivas. Tulod. Lord. Easy. 2 points. No time out.
Kasunod sila
Labaw na ang CSP of 11. 37-48. Nahula 3 minutes and 12 seconds for the fourth and final quarter.
Kapit na nakuman. Hawili lang. Uli na dito ka.
Pipito to Acosta. To Mendiola. 14 seconds to shoot, 7. 10 seconds to shoot, Pipino, 4. The pass to Mendiola, Mendiola. No good, rebound de la Gremas. To Lod. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Alarte. 14 seconds to shoot.
Tay.
10 seconds to shoot. Alarte, number 3. No good, rebound Acosta to Sepe. Sepe behind the back. To Acosta. Acosta lumusot. Acosta. 2 points. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds. Rebound to one. To Mendiola. Apepo play. No good. Rebound to one. Nakuha na ni Lod.
Oh, Yara.
Out of bounds. Substitution. Remaining time last 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Yan,
9-point lead ang CSP. Taas pa ang oras.
luman na mo makikita ng
Jersey number 18. Lord. Tula nila 14 seconds shot clock. Tula nila 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Landero. Shot. Rebound 7. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 7. Tumingela. Tempo 3. No good. What's that tip? Technique foul.
Sabi na matumba ha.
Okay, jersey number 24, Mr. Landero, technical foul for distracting a player. Remaining time last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds, 1 point, Mr. Pilipino. Shot clock 14. Acosta to Sepe to Dughon. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 18, Lord. Foul out. First team foul.
Bigyan na, bigyan. Tibog din rin mamala.
Remaining time last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Asul!
1 minute. Foul. Backward violation. Mr. Arale. 1 minute.
Tex! Yeah!
1 minute. 59 seconds.
14 shot clock.
Okay, shot clock 14. 59 seconds. 59 seconds. to shoot. 50 seconds. 45. Foul, jersey number 16, foul out. First team foul. Remaining time last 44 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot, 40 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 13, Mendiola. First personal foul, second team foul. Time out. CSP, time out. Ang LSA napasilay. Isa ka time out. Remaining time last 36 seconds. 48. Time out.
Pa-picture mo?
36. 36 seconds. Wala. Second. Second. Team fouls na.
First, second. Libog po may kapilda.
Last 36 seconds.
Kapit na.
14 step clock.
Hawa, hawa!
25.
10.
10 seconds to shoot. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 19 seconds. 19. 15. 14 seconds. 14. 1-4. Wala na shot clock. 1-4. Wala na shot clock. 14 seconds. 3rd personal foul. Second team foul. 11 seconds. 11 segundos. Substitution. 11 segundos na natin para sa 4th and final quarter. 6 seconds. 3. Yeah!